Morning everyone, how are you? Today is another Coco day. Join me at the side of the intro. Hit it, maestro. I did on my Coco mystery boxes when I opened 12, didn't I? I couldn't remember that. I've opened 12. So let me put in here exactly what I have. So I'm still missing some, I am. So what I did was I asked my lovely friends Hope and Abby if they would pick me up 3 more boxes to try and complete. I also did a trade. So my wonderful friend Mark, he had one I wanted, I had one he wanted, so we traded. So I've got another one, but I haven't even opened it yet. So yeah, so that's the one, do you know, that's the one really special thing. When you have a hobby that's quite unique really, and you meet fellow people in the same country as well as abroad, you build up such wonderful relationships, and you trade pins. It's lovely. Yeah, and Mark's a lovely chap, so yeah, so thanks Mark. Right, let me show you the one I had off Mark. And this one, is this Dante in his spirit form? I think it is. So there you go. So I'm just missing 3 pieces. Oh, my glasses are on one kit. I need to go and get some new trendy glasses. I need a bright colour, don't I? Think so. These aren't my normal ones. These are the ones that haven't got the screen protector on, so at least you can see my eyes. Because on my other ones I've got like the blue filter, so that it's easier and better for you when you're on computers, but then you get a glare, so I think this is better. But anyway, I do need to go and get some more. 3 boxes. So I need, if I work this out right, I need the mum and the dad. I need the grandma. And I need the singer who is the other chaser, because I've got the one chaser. So I need the 2 on the top, the 2 ends on the top row. So the mum and dad and his nan on the top row, and I need the other chaser, which is the singer. So I know who I need. Will I get them? Oh, come on, I need some good luck. These ones, they're so expensive, so I need as much luck as I can, because these are $17.99 without tax. And when there's 12 in a set, well, you do the maths. Yes. And the next one that's coming out, they're releasing up. And I've only seen 8 pins in that, so does that mean it'll be 10 with the chasers? So that'll be 2 less for me to try and chase after the chasers. Do you like that chase after? I like the chasing. Right, these are thick bags, okay. Oh no, I've got a middle piece again. Who have I got? Oh, I've got Dante again. I've got Dante, and he's just a 900 regular edition. He's a limited edition, but he's a 900. He's not one of the chasers. Okay, so we can't do it. Want a bit more luck, that's what I'd like. Right, should I throw all my bits? There you go, put them on there. Right, oh, do everything cross for me. I've got his nan, I've got Miguel's nan. Oh yay! So I need 2 pieces. I need the chaser and the other top corner, right. These are so hard to fit in. So I think I've done it right, okay. Now if I could get the chaser, I'll be alright to swap for the other piece. It could be the chaser, but it's not the top corner because it's like a middle piece, so it's not going to be, is it? No. And it's the regular limited edition. It's the one, oh no, it is. It's the limited edition of 900. So I've got that one as well. Oh, so I'm still missing the two. I'm missing his mum and dad and the other chaser. I'm still missing two. Mark might be bringing me 2 more boxes home. He might be in Florida at the moment and he might be bringing me 2 boxes. I hope he's chose me good boxes. Oh dear me, I'm not having much luck, am I? Hope you've enjoyed it. Only a short one for today. Thanks so much. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. That way then you'll always know when I post new videos. I really can't believe that. 3 boxes. But I did get 1 out of 3. And seeing as I only needed 3 pins, that wasn't bad going, I suppose. But I'm still gutted. I am. But yeah, be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye everyone. Bye.